now Bobby. I would like to share with you a very special Year 6 story. It's very exciting. Are you sitting comfortably? Then I will begin. It was a day like no other day. Me, Steve, and Emily were at the rainforest. We were here for 1 month. Lost and strained, we walked carefully across the rocky surroundings. I slipped. I carefully got up and dusted myself off. I looked around to see the monkey swinging on the vines. I thought to myself, I have to be really careful around those beasts. I am only small, so I could easily be torn to pieces. Butterflies were fluttering around me. Birds were tweeting loudly. It made me want to shut down. As I walked slowly through the old, mysterious rainforest, I felt scared of all the animals, like the jaguar, a fierce predator. Dangerously, I carried on with my explorations, knowing in my mind I might shut down any moment. Whilst I was walking down to the foot of the mountains, a jaguar was in my way. It was then that I realized that Emily and Steve had left me behind. I was shaking with sharp fear. Out of the blue, the growling jaguar pounced at me. Frightened and scared, I felt as it snatched me up. It ran as fast as lightning and took me to its dark, dim cave. I was in a damp and deep cave. It was all the jaguar's fault. I was terrified and I knew this was going to be a bad day. Who was going to help me? The cave was so damp. How was I going to escape? I shivered with fear. At that moment, the jaguar fell down to rest. Then I thought to myself, this is my chance to escape. As I ran, the jaguar awoke. Eventually, I got myself out, but I turned around and in front of me was the deadly jaguar. What should I do? Lonely and scared. I froze. I was stuck. Steve and Emily were no longer to be seen. I ran for my life. I was never coming here again. I knew I had to call for help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I shouted, Emily, Steve, help me. I'm next to the lake. There is a jaguar. Just then, I felt something staring behind me. I could only see eyes, and I felt scared. It was a viper. Almost out of battery, without thinking, I ran as fast as I could, as fast as a cheetah. I started to slow as my battery was low. Just then, Emily and Steve found me. I had been so scared. I was running out of power. I'm so glad to see Steve and Emily. As we carefully avoided the slippery rocks, I noticed something with black patterns. It was another jaguar. I quickly, but carefully, hid behind a rock. Eventually, the jaguar paddled away, so we continued our adventure, Emily, Steve, and I. Just then, I spotted a helicopter that landed and rescued us. Soon, I became famous. Everybody was talking about my adventure and asking me questions about what happened when I was snatched by a jaguar. It remains one of the most terrifying days of my life so far. Thank you for listening to my story. Year 6 were such great story writers. Goodbye for now.